Did you know that families who work together to solve problems and plan activities are happier and more connected? Welcome to Succeed Today, and today I'm sharing 10 fun and easy ways to use DeepSeek to improve family cohesiveness. Whether you're looking to plan better family activities, solve everyday challenges, or just bring your family closer together, DeepSeek has got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Plan family goals together. Start by using DeepSeek to set family goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, improving communication, or trying new activities, DeepSeek can help you break down big goals into manageable steps. For example, ask DeepSeek, how can we save $1,000 for a family trip, and get a step-by-step plan. You can even track your progress together as a family. 2. Create a family activity calendar. Next, use DeepSeek to plan a monthly family activity calendar. Ask for ideas like fun outdoor activities for kids or indoor games for rainy days. DeepSeek can even suggest local events or DIY projects to keep everyone engaged. For example, you could plan a family hike, a game night, or even a cooking challenge. 3. Solve family challenges with AI insights. Struggling with screen time or sibling arguments? DeepSeek can provide practical solutions. For example, ask, how can we reduce screen time as a family, and get tips like setting screen-free hours or creating a family tech agreement. DeepSeek can also help you brainstorm ways to resolve conflicts and improve teamwork. 4. Improve family communication. DeepSeek can help you improve family communication by suggesting conversation starters or team-building exercises. Try asking, what are some fun questions to ask at dinner, and watch the conversations flow. You can also use DeepSeek to plan family meetings where everyone gets a chance to share their thoughts and ideas. 5. Organize family chores. Make chores fun and fair with DeepSeek's help. Ask, how can we create a chore chart that works for everyone, and get creative ideas like rotating tasks or turning chores into a game. For example, you could create a chore bingo board where everyone gets a prize for completing a row of tasks. 6. Plan family meals together. Use DeepSeek to plan healthy and fun family meals. Ask for recipes, meal prep tips, or even themed dinner nights. For example, what are some easy Mexican recipes for kids, and let DeepSeek inspire your next family dinner. You can even involve the kids in cooking to make it a fun family activity. 7. Create a family vision board. DeepSeek can help you create a family vision board. Ask for ideas like family goals for the year, or dream vacation destinations. Then, gather the family and turn those ideas into a visual board that keeps everyone motivated. It's a great way to dream big and work together as a team. 8. Solve homework and learning challenges. Struggling with homework? DeepSeek can help. Ask for explanations, study tips, or even fun learning activities. For example, how can I help my child with math homework, and get step-by-step guidance. DeepSeek can also suggest educational games or apps to make learning more engaging. 9. Plan family game nights. Use DeepSeek to plan the ultimate family game night. Ask for ideas like best board games for families or DIY game night activities. DeepSeek can even suggest games that teach teamwork and problem solving. It's a great way to bond and have fun together. 10. Reflect and celebrate together. Finally, use DeepSeek to reflect on your family's progress and celebrate wins. Ask, how can we celebrate our family achievements, and get ideas like a family movie night or a special outing. Celebrating together strengthens your bond and keeps everyone motivated. 3 main takeaways. 1. Use DeepSeek to set and achieve family goals together. 2. Plan fun and engaging family activities with AI-powered insights. 3. Solve everyday family challenges with practical solutions from DeepSeek. Conclusion, and there you have it, 10 fun and easy ways to use DeepSeek to improve family cohesiveness. Start small, pick 1 or 2 ideas, and watch your family grow closer together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on family bonding and tech-savvy parenting. Let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use DeepSeek with your family? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.